Crunchy shell-on shrimp confused me as a child, but today I'll be showing you Mama's Tôm Rim Thịt, a dish with textures and flavors you won't forget.
Mama ye sik fan, Mami daddy sik fan. Ba mẹ ăn cơm.
Hi, I'm Jeanette, and here at Wok and Kin I share my childhood recipes so you can reconnect with yours. Today's recipe follows us into adulthood, a time in our lives where we can truly appreciate this simple and humble dish. To start, you'll need shrimp. In Australia, we call them school prawns. They're much smaller than your average prawns, but they add a fantastic crunch to every bite. You'll also need pork belly with a good ratio of fat to meat. That way, it's extra juicy as you eat. For the aromatics, Mama likes to add garlic and red shallots. She also uses her homemade nước, which is a Vietnamese caramel perfect for adding colour to any dish. If you don't have this, use dark soy sauce. A full list of these ingredients can be found at wokandkin.com, where we share step-by-step instructions so you can cook this recipe at your own pace. Get the aromatics ready by finely chopping the garlic and red shallots. To prepare the shrimp, you can remove the heads. This is entirely optional. You'll need to prepare the pork belly by cutting it into 2 cm pieces. Then heat up a pot on high and pour 2 tablespoons of oil in. When the oil's hot, turn the heat to low and add the aromatics in to fry for 30 seconds. Turn the heat back up to high and pour the shrimp in to cook for 3 minutes or until just orange. Transfer the cooked shrimp into a bowl for later. Pour the pork belly into the pot and season it with 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 teaspoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon powder. Stir it through, then add 3 teaspoons of nước. Mix the seasoning through well and let it cook on high heat for 5 minutes. Make sure to stir occasionally so it doesn't stick to the base of the pot and burn. After 5 minutes, add the cooked shrimp back into the pot. Give everything a good stir, then pour the water in and turn the heat to low-medium. Let it simmer for 30 minutes or until the liquid has reduced to a thick sauce. As I wait for the simmering to begin, the realization hits me. This dish just isn't complete without the signature crunch from shell-on shrimp. And there you have it, Mama's Tôm Rim Thịt. It's about the flavors that you grew up eating. The familiar sweet and salty caramel and the crunch that makes every mouthful a complete experience akin to home. To relive the textures and flavors of home, here are our tips for the best results. Number 1, simmer on low heat. This will slowly cook the meat, making it juicier. Number 2, use coconut water. It has a natural sweetness that complements this dish. Number 3, keep the shell on. The crunch takes everything beyond just flavor. These days, texturing Mama's Tôm Rim Thịt excites and comforts me because I know I'll be enjoying it for all the reasons my family does. For experiences that you grew up with, like and subscribe to our channel for more. Now, if you love eating childhood dishes, I've created a comfort food playlist perfect for you to try this week. See you in the next video.